Hello friends, my name is Saurabh and you all are watching Study Time Liners. Friends, today I would like to discuss about how to introduce yourself in an interview. So friends, the word interview, it is that word which has to be faced by every person in their life because nowadays it is the basic requirement for any job, and the first question which is generally asked by the interviewer is to introduce yourself. So friends, it is better for you that you will prepare that answer, that how to introduce yourself in an interview before going in any interview. So today I will discuss some points on the behalf of that you can make your intro. Do you ever think that why interviewer asks your introduction even he or she has your resume? So friend, the answer is that the interviewer is not interested in your introduction. He or she always interested in that how you perform or express your introduction in front of him. So you have to remember some points while giving your intro in front of any interviewer. So the first point is that time duration. Friends, it is very important point because any interviewer has 15 to 20 minutes for each candidate. So your introduction should be short and accurate. The average duration of your introduction should be 3 to 4 minutes. You can prepare your introduction to 3 to 4 minutes and you can adjust it according to the requirement. So never try to make long introduction because it's look like a boring introduction. Always make short and accurate introduction. The second point is avoid irrelevant things. Friends, in the introductions, many candidates express some irrelevant things as brief description of their family details, their background, their like, dislike and etc. Friends, remember one thing, that interviewer is not interested about your family background, your background or your like dislike. He is only interested in that how to express yourself in front of interviewer. So always try to speak relevant things in the introduction in the front of interviewer. The last but not the least point is that how to you ordering your introduction. Yes friend, the order of your introduction is very important because the ordering is decide that how you express your introduction. Correct ordering of your introduction is like as: firstly thanking the interviewer, then your name and age, your place, your family details, your educational details, your working experience and skills, your hobbies, your strengths and weaknesses, and then last your life goals. So friends, it is the correct order of any introduction, so always try to make your introduction in this order. Now friends, I am giving an example of that how you will prepare your introduction. So your introduction like as: thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Saurabh Tripathi. I am 19 years old. I live in Delhi. I have 3 members in my family. About my educational details, so I passed 10th and 12th from Government Boys Senior Secondary School in Delhi with 80% and 82% respectively. And at the present time I pursuing diploma in mechanical engineering from GBPIT. I have basic knowledge of computer as MS Word, Office, Excel and etc. And I have good command over both languages Hindi and English. At present I am pursuing diploma, so I am fresher, but I have a 1 month experience of working in my internship with Tata Motors. About my hobbies, so I am big fan of playing and watching cricket. I also love to listen music in free time. About my strength, so my biggest strength is my self-confidence which never let me down. And being punctual is also my strength. About my career goal, so my career goal is that be a responsible employee of a company and giving my best for them. So that's all. If you have any question, so please ask. So friends, it is an example of an introduction. On the behalf of that, you can make your introduction. And friend, one thing noted that I didn't mention my weaknesses in the intro. The reason is that you should not mention your weaknesses in your introduction until or unless your interviewer asks for telling about your weaknesses. So friends, if you get anything knowledgeable from that video, so please like, share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.